Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to, I think, remember these files are already updated. You don't need to update, create the entity. So let me open the config entity. Inside that, I'm going to copy all of the entity I have created. Just try to copy this class and try to mention after that. That's it. Now, configuration manager. So let's me open this configuration.py and see this class is already have. Okay, this class we already have. So here I already need the method. So let me copy the method, get data validation config. Let's copy. And after data ingestion, I'll try to mention it here. That's it. Now I also need to import this data validation config from the entity. So from here I can import it. Okay, that's how with the help of bracket you can import multiple, let's say function. Okay, multiple, let's say object from a file itself. Now there is no error. Now next thing I have to create the component. So let's create the component. I'll go to the component. Inside that I'm going to create a file called data underscore validation .py. Let me copy the component. This is my entire component. Now data validation config I have to import. So let's me import. It is available here. I can copy. I only need the data validation config. That's it. Anything else I need? No, I think everything. Okay, I need the pandas as well. So import pandas as PD. Everything is fine. Now let's create the pipeline. I think let me show you. Yeah, so pipeline I have to create. So let me go inside pipeline and create another file called stage02 underscore data validation .py. And similar wise we'll be creating the pipeline. So this is my pipeline, guys. You can see I'm importing configuration manager, data validation, my component. This is the stage name data validation, and this is the class. Inside that constructor would be empty, and main function. Inside main function I'm copy pasting this code only. That's it. Okay, so this is going to be my pipeline. Then I also need to call this pipeline inside my endpoint. So endpoint would be main.py. So let me show you. First of all, let me import data validation pipeline from the pipeline itself. You can see. Okay, now let me call the main function. Data validation, I'm calling the main function, and it is also logging the information like this stage has started and this stage has ended. Okay, if it is execution is successful. So if this execution is successful, it will also log the information. I think previous log also you can see. So you can see data ingestion completed. Okay, after ingesting the data. So this is the log. Now let me show you. So I think I have deleted. Now let me execute. First of all, let me save. Main.py. The data ingestion is running. After that, data validation is started. Now let me show you artifact data ingestion, all the data validation status should be true. Okay, that means everything is working fine. Now next stage will be doing the data transformation. Okay, inside data transformation we'll be doing all kinds of feature engineering. That's a 10 test bit operation you can perform here.